Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Poolman channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. We are here at the swim up bar today, and it's a wonderful day. Every day is a wonderful day. Every day is a gift. But I'll tell you what, today's extra special because here at the swim up bar, we're getting a new Pentair IC40, a salt cell generator. So yeah, we got this right here. Just picked it up from the wholesaler, and this is the real reason for this video. Now, if you got a pool professional working for you, an ethical guy, always got to be ethical. You know, how much is your markup? Some of these guys, they mark up things 100%. So I don't know what you're paying for a salt cell if you've just bought one. Somewhere, you know, above $1,500 is, I think, like kind of like a retail price. You can go and buy them on Amazon, and you guys should all know, if you've been watching, I love Amazon. I am trying to build an affiliate channel and affiliate marketing. So, you know, the more brushes and stuff like that you buy from me, hey, it helps my retirement. So my point is that, and I feel that these are all really good values. I'm not making a killing, but by the same token, there's value in it for both of us, right? I provide you what I use, and you get to have the best equipment to use for your pool. So the salt cell is just like anything else. Now, I'm yammering too much, but the point is you don't want to buy these things on Amazon. I have gone down that road three different times. And each time the salt cell came dead out of the box. Now, maybe it wasn't the salt cell, but it was either the salt cell or the power supply. Now, this particular pool doesn't have the separate power supply because it's got the power supply inside the Easy Touch control system. But on a lot of them, like say at the Pixel pool, they have a dead power supply. So therefore they have a dead salt cell. So anyway, my point is that buy these things from your pool professional and not on Amazon. Yeah, these are, you know, real simple installs, and basically you just, you know, you can even do it yourself. I don't, like I say, don't buy it on Amazon. Buy it from your pool professional, because then you know you're getting it from Pentair or Jandy or, God forbid, Hayward. So, and this cable is just going via cable ties right here, right? So all I'm going to do is unhook this stuff with my knife. You could take a pair of needle nose pliers, break all these things off. I'm going to go get a bunch of replacements from the truck, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, we have completed our salt cell swap. It's as simple as taking out the old one, busting all the old cable ties, and I'm going to go back to the truck and get my packet of cable ties so I can tidy this all up. But before I do so, I want to run this thing, because if there's any leaks that show up since I've done this, I got to take, you know, steps. And I never want to take away any of the stuff that I've already removed, because you know what, I might have to put it back. Let's okay, let's go start this thing. It's in service mode. Okay, so we'll start our egg timer. This pool starts at 9 o'clock and goes till 4. So once again, below grade, when I did this, I shut off all of the valves, right? And that's the way the world is not coming at us. Okay, so when the salt cell comes out of the box, it's going to be at 20% here. We have our flow meter, and in a couple of minutes, it'll tell us whether we have enough salt or not. Now, I haven't been adding salt for quite a while, but this pool actually holds salt. So let me go into the settings, into the IntelliChlor. Okay, so it knows to go at 100. Okay, that being said, yeah, okay, so it caught up with the Easy Touch, so that's good. And I'll come back whether I got enough salt or not. Hey, what do you know, the pool still has plenty of salt. It's good salt. Obviously our flow, we're running at 100%. Hey, we're back to being a salt pool again. I mean, it always was a salt pool. It's just that our old cell wasn't producing anything. So guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary working for you guys out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. Guys, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.